Trading. Our clients can trade on the real account as soon as they have deposited it. While your trading account is being verified, you can start making real profit. We are on the main page of the client's profile, where you can see trading instruments divided into categories. Currency, metals, oil, stock indexes. You add the instrument to the favorite list by clicking on the asterisk in the top right corner of its section. You can customize the view of the trading instrument list as well as adjust the details of the information displayed in the instrument section. Price chart, market sentiment, buttons of quick trading. If you enable quick trading parameters, you will be able to enter trades by one click without the trade confirmation. After you click on the instrument section, there's Open Full Trading Terminal, where you see the detailed quotes charts for this instrument as well as additional settings of the trade. For example, there are pending orders and adjusting the parameters for take profit stop loss to limit the personal loss or fix the profit. These parameters can be represented in money terms or the price movements as well as the levels. In addition, you can use supplementary sections with detailed information on the trading instrument and up-to-date analytics. On the portfolio panel, you can monitor all the positions opened and adjust their parameters if needed or close them. Full history of the entered and exited trades is available in your trader's profile, which you can enter by clicking on Trading History tab or selecting the corresponding section on the top right menu. By means of the search box, you can instantly switch to the needed instrument to enter a trade or find a trader you are interested in.